Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the next point of short-term source of finance, that is trade credit. Okay, now what is the meaning of trade credit? Trade credit means when one business firm give credit to another business firm. This is not for customer, this is from one firm to another firm, that is trade credit. Trade credit is the credit extended by one business firm to another as incidental to sale or purchase of goods and services. It is also known as mercantile credit. It is also known as mercantile credit. So don't get confused between these two terms. One is trade credit and second is mercantile credit. Trade credit may be defined as credit extended by sellers to buyers at all level of production and distribution process down to the retailer. It can given to the retailer, it can given to the wholesaler, means it can given to the any business firm. Trade credit is usually granted for periods ranging from 15 days to 3 months. This type of trade credit is given for a short period of time, that is from 15 days to 3 months. The buying firm receives supplies without paying immediately. It also indicates the seller's faith in buyer. Trade credit is available in the ordinary course of business and no security is required for getting it. Trade credit does not make available the funds in cash. So what is this? It means the buying firm receives supplies, means without paying immediately in cash. Let us give, I will discuss this with the help of an example. Let's say a company is there, A company by the name A. एक company है A and another company is company B. So A is selling the goods to B and B is purchasing the goods from company A. Now A will provide them credit facility which is from 15 days to 3 months, means it can provide credit facility to company B for 15 days, for 1 month, for 2 months or for 3 months. Now company B, what he will purchase, the company B will purchase the goods from company A on credit. तो ये क्या हो गया, ये एक ट्रेड क्रेडिट है. दिस इज़ नॉन एज ट्रेड क्रेडिट कि जब आप कोई गुड्स को परचेज करते हैं, सेल करते हैं, तो उस केस में व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग द थिंग्स ऑन, व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन क्रेडिट, व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग द गुड्स ऑन क्रेडिट, सो दैट इज़ द फैसिलिटी गिवन टू द कंपनी, okay, by another company, by another firm. So that is trade credit. So this is the meaning of trade credit. Then trade credit does not make available the fund in cash. वो आपको कोई कुछ चीज़ कैश में अवेलेबल नहीं कर रहा है. वो ये नहीं कह रहा है कि ठीक है आप 5,000 रुपये ले लीजिए, 10,000 ले लीजिए या 50,000 ले लीजिए. वो आपको कोई कैश लोन नहीं दे रहा है, बट ही इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग यू द trade credit. Trade credit means he is providing you the goods and services in or no need to pay it immediately. So this is the meaning of trade credit. I hope you get this, the meaning of trade credit. Then trade credit does not make available the funds in cash. It means that it does not provide the funds in cash. वो आपको कुछ कैश में उधार नहीं दे रहा है, कुछ कैश नहीं दे रहा है वो आपको. He is not giving you any kind of cash, but he is giving you the goods and services in which you don't have to pay immediately in cash. He is providing you goods and services on credit. That is trade credit. Okay, now come to the second point. Trade credit may be entered in two form: open account wherein the buyer does not sign any local debt instrument, means it is open account कि एक होता है कि म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग में ही एक दूसरे को हम लोग ट्रेड क्रेडिट दे देते हैं, एक दूसरे को गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज क्रेडिट पे प्रोवाइड करते हैं. दैट इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ mutual understanding, no need to sign any local debt instrument. And second is bills payable. Bills payable, you have I think you have remembered, we have discussed about the discounting of bills. So that is what bills of exchange, कि वो आपको एक bill draw करके and you have to sign that bill that after 3 months or after 2 months you will be paying such and such amount for these goods. So this is what two types के trade credit होते हैं, एक तो without signature and एक with the signature, that is bills payable. Then there are several advantages and several disadvantages of trade credit. Now let us discuss first advantages. Trade credit is very simple and convenient method of raising short-term finance. It is very simple and convenient भी है because there will not be any much legal formalities and all. Then no formalities are involved and the credit is readily available to reputed business firm. There are very less formalities or no formalities are there and credit available होता है especially to the business firm those who are having any goodwill. Then no interest is payable, no security is to be paid, and flexible source, it is a flexible source of finance as no charge is created against the asset of the company. See now here ये एक तरीके का borrowed ही है, but in this कोई interest नहीं है, कोई security नहीं है, कोई charge on asset नहीं है. So these are the advantages for the firm. Then it is more economical than bank loans. Obviously for bank loans several formalities are there, then there can be charge on asset, then interest has to be paid, so it is more economical than bank loans. Then there are several disadvantages. However, the prices charged for credit sales are usually higher. The prices charged for credit sales, suppose if you are purchasing the goods on cash, so you will be getting that we can say 100 rupees, but when you are purchasing it on credit, so obviously the amount will get little higher, like it can be of 105 rupees. So the prices charged for credit sales are usually higher, it is if you compare it with the cash sale. Then the supplier has to bear loss of bad debts in addition to the cost of administering credit account. Then second one is that जो supply कर रहा है अगर उसको payment नहीं मिला time पर, so it can leads to the bad debts. Then third one is he required a larger working capital to supply goods on credit. जो बिजनेस फर्म गुड्स को क्रेडिट पर सप्लाई करती है उसको ज़्यादा वर्किंग कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. If you remember, we discussed about the working capital and fixed capital. And if you are selling the goods on credit, you require more working capital in that case. Okay. The next one is the buyer losses cash discount. See, when we are going to purchase any, we can take the example of us. When we are going to purchase any goods, and if we are purchasing it on credit, that will pay the amount after 1 week, after 2 weeks. So obviously वी आर लॉसिंग द कैश डिस्काउंट. जो आज हम 100 रुपीज़ का गुड 95 में परचेज कर सकते थे, अगर हम उसका पेमेंट 2 वीक बाद या 3 वीक्स बाद इफ़ वी आर पेइंग दैट अमाउंट, ऑब्वियसली विल गेट द प्रोडक्ट एट इट्स ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट, दैट इज़ ऑफ 100 रुपीज़, नॉट एट 95, नॉट एट 90 रुपीज़. सो द बायर जो बायर गुड्स को क्रेडिट पे परचेज करता है, इट लॉसेज इट्स कैश डिस्काउंट. So these are the several disadvantages of the trade credit. I hope you get the meaning of trade credit. What is the meaning of trade credit? It is to understand. So and you can prepare the notes from it. So hope you understand. Thank you.